Let's learn how to create a meeting in Zoom. Right now I'm logged on to my Zoom account, which is zoom.us, or to get into our institution, it would be tcsedSystem.zoom.us. Once you're logged in, you'll have this dashboard, and you can schedule a new meeting. You'll put the title of your meeting. This might be my class meeting, or you can say the class if it's OLC 500 or IO 524. You can put a description if you want, and then you can put the date when the webinar or when the video conference will take place. You can also set it up as a recurring meeting. If it's a recurring meeting, you can determine, is this going to be recurring daily, weekly, maybe no fixed time. And that way you can use the same Zoom meeting for various occurrences. You can have a meeting ID that's automatically generated, or a personal ID. You can have a meeting password. By default, you'll have a meeting password. You can enter in your own password, and that's a good security measure. Consider if you want the host or participant to have their video on and off, and what audio you want to use. And then you have options for the meeting as well, such as enable join before host, which means that if you're a teacher, then your students can start the meeting without you. Or do you want the meeting to start once you're logged in? I always select mute participants upon entry so that people are mindful of having their microphones on. You can also enable a waiting room in which participants won't be able to join the meeting unless you approve them. And that's an added security measure as well. Once you've gone through all of the settings, then you can click Save, and then you'll have your credentials for your meeting.